Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this time we are going to put a clear tempered glass on the iPhone 10. Now I've already tried putting two of these kinds. Now then I found there's a big problem with this. Now the tempered glass is fine. Nothing's really bad with this. It covers the entire phone completely and there's no problem with that. But there are two problems. One is this part where the camera and the sensors are, that does not have any gum on it. So because there's no gum, there's a space in between through which sand and water goes in, and that remains there, and it blocks the sensor and blocks the camera. So the pictures will be grainy and it will not be a good experience for you. Second, with cases, these kind of tempered glass have a big problem. Now when you put this tempered glass, when you put a case like this which covers the front, this will not allow you to keep the tempered glass on. It will pull it up. So that's the second problem that I was facing. So because of these two problems, I've been searching for some other tempered glass which is cover friendly. So this is a cover friendly tempered glass which is transparent and which has a cutout over here, so it's not blocking the camera and the sensors. So let's go ahead and unbox this and put the tempered glass on the iPhone 10 and see if it's going to be cover friendly or not. I have a lot of different covers, so I'll be testing with that to see if it's going to fit properly. So let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, so you get the tempered glass with this and a wet wipe. So you do not get a dry one, so you might need to use another cloth. So this tempered glass is from Arrow. Now I bought this from the Reliance digital store for $3.99. Actually the MRP was $5.99, so I got it for $3.99. It's still available. If you want, you can go there and get that. So let's go ahead and clean the phone first. So we'll have to clean this nicely and then put the tempered glass. Okay, so we've cleaned the phone now. Let's put the tempered glass. So basically it's a simple process. You just have to remove this portion. Now on a tempered glass, you just have one side that you have to remove. On a regular screen guard, you'll have two sides. Okay, so I generally just hold the tempered glass from four sides, center it, and then leave it. So you'll see my head coming in between because I need to see. Okay, it's done. Let's just wipe it off. Okay, so let's take a look at the tempered glass itself. Now the tempered glass is covering the screen area, but it is leaving out the curved edges. Now the curved edges does not have the display in it. So this is actually covering the complete display. So display will not get damaged. You will not get any scratches on the display. Yes, you might get scratches on the camera area because this is not protected. So in case you want something which covers the entire front of the iPhone 10, then you can buy something like this. So there are two kinds. I've already shown you in my previous video. You can buy something like this. If you want something which will cover the screen but it will allow any kind of back cover, full protection cover to grab onto your phone, then you'll have to put something like this which leaves a little bit of space between the display and the curved edge. So I like this kind because this helps me in keeping the camera clean. I can use the camera properly, and all rough and tough kind of covers that you get, that will only fit with these kind of tempered glass. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.